Welcome to another virtual DJ video. King COBBY here. Now, before I go into today's agenda, about 87% of people who watch my video are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I would like to plead of you to show your support by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Now let's get into today's business. Now you see these two panes here. The one on my right is the side view, and on my left is for the folders. I think you agree with me that sometimes you would want to hide the two of them. Sometimes you would want to show the folders alone. Sometimes you would want to show just the side view. And sometimes you just don't want to see the two of them. I'll show you how you can use a custom button to do that, and also how to use your keyboard to do same. So let's get into business. So first of all, we are going to look at how to use a custom button. So I have already configured a custom button to toggle between showing and hiding both the side view and then the folders. Okay, so I'll just show you the parameters and then you try it on your own. After that, we are going to get to the keyboard aspect as well. So for this, I can right click and then choose edit. Okay, this is because I've set more than one action for one custom button. That is why when I right click, you could see. But if it is just one function, by right clicking, it will open the button editor window for you. So I have one for both the side view and then the folder, right? And then I have one for the folders. Okay, so I have one for the side view, which I think I haven't configured already, so I can go ahead and then edit that one as well. Okay, but first of all, let's look at for both. So I'll right click and then edit. So this is the parameters. So you just say show underscore split panel, and then you put side view in single quotes, and then you also say that and show split panel in quotes folders. You have to give a name for your button, so I just did it SV. Okay, so I can say SV and F, right? That's it. It is saved, and I can close it. You can see that the name has affected, so that's it. And for the folders alone, it's show split panel folders, as you saw in the previous one. So for the side view, we'll say that show underscore split panel side view. Right, so that one also bring the side view, and then if I choose SV and F, it will toggle between, it's because this one was showing already. Okay, so so that's why using the keyboard comes in handy. Okay, so I'll hide it, and then now you can see it. So let's go to the keyboard. So settings and then mapping. So I use the three keys: the semicolon key, the apostrophe key, and then the reverse solidus key. So you can choose any keys that you would want to. So the apostrophe key toggles both the folders and then the side view panels, whilst the semicolon key toggles just the folders, and then the reverse solidus key toggles just the side view. So take note of the parameters and then just type them as such. So this, and then that. Okay, save. So I'm not showing my keyboard, but I'm actually pressing the keyboard. So you can see that if I press the middle key, the SV and then F lights up. Let me choose the folders, and then you see immediately I press, it also lights up. So for the side view, because it is showing, that is why it's lights up. So immediately I press it, it goes off. You can see this one is also off. I press my keyboard and then it shows. Alright, so onwards, I will have a very big song browser panel to work with. When I need my folders, I just press my key and then I'll show it. If I don't need any more, I press and hide it. If I need my side view, I click to show it. If I don't need any more, I hide them. Now let's work another trick. So you probably would want a key to circle between the side view. So that is, maybe you would want to move from side list to remix to sampler to auto mix to karaoke, and then what have you. I wouldn't want to make this video long. We'll go through that in another video. So all you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and then be the first to get the alert when I release a new video. So then, stay safe, eat well, and make the best out of every day. The name is still King Cobby.